This is a quick video to show you the use of the Brigade 40 kilogram lift in this Skoda Fabia estate. It's lifting a de Blasi fold-up electric scooter, and also this manual folding wheelchair. And I'll show you how to use this. So fold up the arm, out the boot, into that position and fold down that, and then lift up the arm. That slots into these little slots there. We'll go for the middle slot, seems to work quite nicely on that one. And then it manually swings out the boot onto there, drop that down onto the top of this de Blasi, and then we'll just hook that onto here. These big carabiners, a bit of a nap to that, and one there. Okay, and now I've got a handset here. I'll use that to bring the scooter up. Steady as it goes, with a little bit of a hold so it doesn't hit the bumper. We don't need to go all the way up, we can stop about 6 inches from the top, just so it's high enough to go over the threshold. And then we can walk that around there. Goes into the boot there till it's just about as far as it can go. Can't go any further. It's just sitting in the back windscreen there. And then we'll drop it down. And as I'm dropping it, I'm just going to sort of push it slightly that way, just to try anyway. Just push it that way into the boot. Get some tension off it so that I can get this unclipped. Unclip that from there, and then we'll pick the wheelchair up now. Swing that out again. Make sure that's fully back into the boot, Bill.
Yeah.
That's okay. It's quite a tight fit into this with all this stuff. So I'll bring the wheelchair, and then we need enough string here to take this through the wheelchair. A little bit fiddly this, and then back onto itself like a lasso, like that. And we just lift this up again. We'll just steady it a little. That's very easy, it takes a bit of time. Stop when you've got about 6 inches, so it's high enough the threshold. I'll do this, and then I'm just going to, can't remember which way we had it round before. Maybe that way around.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. And drop it down into the boot. Tight over there towards that de Blasi, and put the brakes on. And then we need to get a little bit of tension off this. So when you let this down, I'm pressing the down button and I'm feeding this out, getting myself a little bit of string, because you can't fold the hoist down unless you get some slack here. Probably need a little bit more than that. So I'm going to get a little bit more slack. I'm pulling that through like that. I keep tension on this. If you don't keep tension on that, you'll end up with a big ball of string. So, and that could all tangle up and get messy. And so then you've got all this slack. Now you can take that hoist down like that. Fold it down. Lift up the red lever. And it's got a little flat on there, so it'll only do that in one position there, see, so like that sort of little flat thing there, see that, and then that should fold down into the boot. This is a busy boot now, a bit of a mess of that, doing that, but there we are. You can shut your boot, job done.